Welcome. If you want to export all video messages from a bot on the Telegram app for PC using the latest update, you're in the right place. In just a few steps, you'll have every video message saved to your computer. Perfect for archiving, sharing, or just keeping a backup. First, make sure you have the Telegram desktop app installed and you're logged in. The export feature is only available on the desktop version, so if you're using the web or mobile app, you'll need to switch over. Let's get started. Open the Telegram app on your PC. In the chat list, find the bot whose video messages you want to export. Click to open the chat with that bot. Next, look at the top of the chat window and click on the bot's name. This will open the contact info panel, where you'll see more options related to this bot. Now, look for the three dots in the upper right corner of the contact info panel. Click on them, and from the drop-down menu, select Export Chat History. This is where the magic happens. A new window will pop up with export options. Here, you'll see a list of all the types of content you can export: messages, photos, files, and more. To export only the video messages, check the box next to video messages. You can also set a maximum file size, choose the format, HTML is recommended for easy viewing, and pick the folder where you want the export to be saved. Once you've made your selections, click Export. Depending on the size of the chat and the number of video messages, this process might take a few seconds or a bit longer. Telegram will gather all the video messages from your chat with the bot and save them to your chosen location on your computer. When the export is finished, open the folder you selected. You'll find your video messages neatly organized and ready to use. You can now view, share, or archive them as you wish. That's it. Exporting all video messages from a Telegram bot on PC is quick and straightforward with the new update. Give it a try and keep your favorite content safe and accessible.